Hi folks, I want to tell you a short story about one of my clients, Zara. Zara had communicated with me when I was in the swimming pool that, she was halfway around the world. It was her bedtime. And she said, I have this person coming to my home. I haven't spoken to her in years and I don't feel good towards her. I have some leftover anger and I don't know how I'm going to receive her when she comes to stay at my home. And she was really stressed out, to say the least. So I said, okay, look, I will make for you a short video explaining how you can do emotion codes, and basically all I had to tell her was you can take a magnet and swipe it 3 times if it's yours, 10 times if it belongs to an ancestor. And you can clear away any negative emotion. So I made that video. I made it for her. Now that video you all have enjoyed is actually for her, but it was done literally sitting in my car, fresh out of LA Fitness. And honestly, it helped her so much. It's just so incredible. This is the best part of having a healer as a friend. You can reach out and you can say, hey, this is troubling me. And I made that video and I sent it to her. And she said, oh my God, Dayu, you won't believe what a difference it made. She was able to clear away years and years and years worth of sludgy anger that she had held in her body, and she was so peaceful by the time that relative came to stay with her. I tell you, this work is really worth it. This is some powerful work. A few swipes of a magnet, you can clear away years worth of grudges. And as you do that, you allow love to flow back and forth between the shores of your hearts. Because essentially all those negative emotions, they are not who we are. The negative emotions are just software in the brain. They're not our identity. Negative emotions are just that, negative emotions. They're programming, they're software in the computer of our brain. And just like you delete viruses, you need to delete certain softwares that are getting in your way. That's all it is. I hope you enjoyed this little snippet, this little story, and I look forward to seeing you if you want to come to the workshop this the third Saturday of every month. And the description box contains the way that you can get a ticket for it. It's pay as you wish or as per the cost. So there's nothing to stop you if you really want to learn how to clear out this garbage from inside you.